Hey YouTube, welcome back to my channel. My name is Dion. This is the Crazy Troll Nation. We start here with chapstick. The crazy just because we are. Today is March 14th. It's in the afternoon. I checked my tracking and my Boxycharm is here. But before we get into that, the troll in the Crazy Troll Nation is, number one, there is no such thing as a troll. Number two, here on this channel, it's about self-acceptance, self-love, embracing your natural features, enhancing them if you want to. We love to play in face paint, but not to feel like we need to change our features or use particular products or particular brands a particular way because that's what the beauty community says we should do. And so again, self-acceptance, self-love, loving yourself for who you are and for how you look. That's the basic concept of the Crazy Troll Nation. And now just to jump right into this video, I don't want it to be long. My video that I uploaded earlier today. Before I do that, let me show you what else we do here on this channel. That's all part of the crazy. I just jumped into stuff and I don't know what's going on. The video that uploaded today, when I watched it, I'm like, oh my gosh, I was such a train wreck in that video. And I'm so sorry. For those of you who watched it, I just opened it with my box cutter, Boxycharm. So we're going to see what we have. I did see some unboxing videos. Is that creating a shadow? A variation. I don't know how to read this thing. Number 22. I don't know. And Glam Guy Brett, I think is his name. He explains what the numbers mean. I don't know. I think he said like 22 is the year, 03 is the month, and then 022. So I think the variation would be 22, and the BA is for base box. So I'm guessing that's what. I don't know if that's right or not. But anyway. He explains it. It says, Boxycharm Game Changer, celebrating game changers and boss babes in honor of Women's History Month. So that's what that says. This has what the products are. Oh, I have a little piece of paper. And I have, let me see if I can pull this out. And I have foam. Usually it's just a little piece of paper. This was wrapped around it. So the items were in here. So I actually had to like shift everything to pull it out. Because I wanted to show you that my base box has been just base with a piece of paper. And I'm just like, really? And so that makes me wonder if there's something fragile in here. And it looks like it is. So anyway, the first thing I'm going to pull out, which is on top. Let me hold. I'm so friggin' awkward. And I was so awkward in my other video that I uploaded today. Ofra Cosmetics, Charm Your Cheeks Mini Mix Blush Palette. Don't stare directly at your cheeks while wearing this hypnotizing blush palette made with Ofra's liquid to baked tech. This 6-pan blush palette is long wearing and ultra pigmented with shades from alluring baby pinks to electrifying orange. Hit pan, remix or refill all your favorite shades in this magnetic and completely refillable palette. It says it retails for $39. We're going to open it up and take a look at it. This is what it looks like. Something is a little chipped. I don't know if you can see here, but we're going to take, I do like how they cover it because it's a plastic covering that you can sit on. It is messy in here. Sorry for that glare. And there is some powder here. So I'm just going to wipe that away if possible. Yeah. So it looks like these are fragile, but nothing was broken. And this, the covering, I can just use a tissue and wipe that out. So, but again, this is what that looks like. Will I use it? I don't know. And so I just sat it back on here and I can tell it's not where it was because you can see the different shades underneath. And so I think I actually put it on backwards, but I'm gonna take that back off another time and wipe that down because it's messy. The other thing I'm gonna pull out of here, did it fall out the box? No. And it's ripped. What is this? Illamasqua, if I'm not pronouncing that wrong. Illamasqua Hydrating Setting Spray. Ultra Setting Spray is a lightweight mist that locks in makeup for a flawless, dewy finish. This nonstick formula dries fast to set your makeup all day. Excuse me for that. Infused with pea peptides. Pea, like the peas you eat, P-E-A-P. Peptides, rich in amino acids. It will leave the skin feeling refreshed and moisturized. Retails for $26. That's what it looks like. It almost reminds me of, what was that setting spray? Oh, and I used to love it. Oh, but it had a black bottle. Ooh. Itchy nose. Let me see real quick if there's fragrance in here. Ingredients, water, the first ingredients. Yada, 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 yada. It doesn't say fragrance. But that... It looks, a little forceful, but as it disperses, it looks like a fine mist. All right, so we're going to just spray it. Okay, here we go. That's a little aggressive. I forgot to... Look at my face. Oh my gosh, you see the spots? What the... Woo! All right, so this is what we're going to do. We're just going to pat this. It felt aggressive. Maybe I was too close. That was maybe what? Like maybe 8 inches away from my face? I was a little aggressive. And look, my lips are shiny. What? It's still shiny. Let me flip it over. Rub aggressively. And it's still... It doesn't say that this illuminates, does it? Hey, where's my chapstick? That was... Uh-oh. My forehead is feeling itchy. What the... That was kind of aggressive. If you think I was too close, let me know. But you did see like all the droplets. And maybe I needed to be further back. Maybe if my face doesn't continue to itch and if my face does not break out, I may try that again another day. And it feels a little sticky. What is a setting spray? So it's supposed to make everything stick. Whew. Okay, that was an experience. This right here. I'm so excited about my box. This, and it's wrapped in cellophane or plastic, whatever you call it. This is Vike Beauty Makeup Melt. My face is itching. Oh shit. A makeup remover spray with skincare benefits. Makeup Melt has 4 key antioxidants to nourish your skin after removal, leaving your skin bright, clean, and renewed. My face is seriously itching. Holy hell. Where am I at? No wipes or pads needed. Simply spray and melt away. I'm sorry. Simply spray and Makeup Melt will remove your makeup, giving you a spa-like experience at home. It retails for $24. Y'all, and maybe it does really need to be over makeup, and it is a setting spray. So you are setting something versus just setting my bare skin. It's set because my skin is feeling dry, it's feeling tight, and it's itchy. I think I may try it over makeup, but after this video, I'm gonna wash this off. Yeah, so this does say gentle oil-free makeup remover spray with skincare actives, clean and nourish. I'm just scanning the ingredients. Fragrance is the last ingredient in here. No. I was considering it, but no. Okay, this thing, Aceology Detoxifying Treatment Mask. A supercharged health retreat for congested skin. My skin isn't congested. But if yours is, this might be perfect for you. Ooh, look at my wrinkles. And my double bag, for those of you who don't know what I mean when I say double bags. Yes. All right, where am I at? I embrace it. It's a part of who I am. I love my features. Where am I? What is this? I'll be tripping, y'all. A supercharged health retreat for congested skin working to draw out blackheads and impurities and clear clogged pores with skin-loving charcoal. The charcoal's antibacterial and purification powers are unrivaled with any other detoxifying ingredient when it comes to extracting sebum and dirt, and the antioxidant-laden botanicals balance and protect the skin for a poreless and flawless texture. This retails for $69, and it does show on the back how to use it. It has written instructions here. And and this is what it looks like. I'm curious, but that's all it would be, because I have masks that I use and that I love. And so would I try it? Like, I don't know. Let me just tell you this while I'm doing this, because this has been bothering me a lot lately. Okay, yes, we cannot help what color a mask is. And this is, it looks like it's dark. It has charcoal in it, right? But consider when you're doing your mask videos, consider how it may look. And if you're not understanding what I'm saying, blackface. That's all I'm gonna say. So consider how you look when you're posting videos and pictures of you with a black mask on. That's all I'm saying. No, we cannot help what color the mask is. And ironically, I do have a video coming up where I do demonstrate how to use the Peter Thomas Roth black mask. And it's not called black mask. It's called black mud or black moor mask or something like that. And I do say in that video, like, don't do that as a joke, because it is black. And some people are still sensitive to our history, our POC history. So just consider that when you're doing masks, like how it may look. Okay, that's all I'm going to say. I'm going to leave that there. The last thing in the box is coconut and fig hair mask. Yes. I'm being sarcastic. When I see unboxings and they have hair products, I'm just like, hope I don't get that. So anyway, Style Dry coconut and fig hair mask. This super hair mask is enriched with coconut oil and maru M-U-R-U butter for healthy, hydrated, and glossy hair. Yeah, I need to cut mine, because this piece up here just doesn't want to lay down. Yeah, I need to cut my hair. Where am I? It's the must-have hair mask to nourish your hair deeply and give you the ultimate treatment at home. Your hair will be moisturized, silky, and shiny as never before. My face is really itchy. I need to wash my face. Retails for $16.95. So that's it for my March Boxycharm base box. Let me know what you think of these products, if you have them, if you've tried them. Again, we have the Ofra blush palette. That's a little messy, so it tells me that these blushes are fragile. We have the Melt Away spray, Aceology detoxifying mask, the Illamasqua setting spray, and the coconut and fig, hair mask. And so let me know what you think of this box. And if you have used the Illamasqua spray over makeup, and I do think I'm going to try it over makeup, but it is concerning that it looks like it has sparkles in it, that it's illuminizing. Oh, and it's good for 24 months. So yeah, that's it for this video. Thank you for watching, and you will see me in the next one.